Hello professionals, today we will learn another Leetcode problem, which is find the length of the longest common prefix. I suggest you please read before moving forward. Read this explanation. Let's understand the question here. One example is there, which there will be array1 and array2 is a given here in input which have three index 1, 10, 100 and array2 1000. Like you see here, uh, one or more digits starting from the leftmost digit. It is only applicable in leftmost digit. So if there is common, we have to write. So 2, 3, 4. It will not. But 1, 2, 3. It will. The prefix is can uh, take the longest common prefix. In another example, let's see. Let's understand by the example. So array1, array2 is given, which have we have index of 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So we have to compare these two arrays and get the maximum number of common digit. Here you can see that if we compare 1 and 100, here is only one longest, but 10 here 10 and 100 it will be 100. So the longest common prefix is 100 with length of 3. So this is the answer. So let's understand by the another example. Here array is given 1, 2, 3, then array is given 444. So there is no common index is there, so it became 0. Let's understand the logic of this program. As I give the example of this, then we have to check the. So how we gonna compare this. So here, as I told you, we have to compare each of the array with 1, 2000, 10, 2000, then 100, 2000. Then only we get the actual values. So let's understand the logic behind this. There is a here two approaches there. Which one is first one is tree, another one is asset. In tree, the maximum time would be taken O log n and hash set took 0 1. So this is efficient. Let's understand the each steps. First we have to compare the array 1 array 2, then prefix prefix added. What here meant prefix added. Let's I already wrote the code. So here what happened, prefix added, which means that uh, all the array 1 and array 2 combine to make the prefix set, which here it becomes prefix, which is 1, 10, 100, then 1000. So this is called as prefix added. After that, there we have to iterate the loop. Then by the iteration we get the maximum result. So let's understand by the code. First, then that swapping. But how? But why? Why we swap here? Because the array one value is this, then array two value is this. So we are swapping each. Uh, in this, array one index is bigger than array two, so it will swap. If array two index will be more, it will did not swap. So now the array one value will be array two, then array two value will be 1000. So array here for iteration n in array 1. Now array 1 value is 1000 because it iterated. After iteration, it would each compare the prefix set and the current prefix set to the set. So why we swapped, then why we iterate the each in the array. So we are swapping because uh, if we swap, we get the iteration by the 1000, which we dividing by 10. What we get uh, in array 1, what we get? First we iterate by 10, it will get 100. I think so, yeah, 100. Then again we iterate this one, what we get? 10. Then again we iterate equal to 1. After again we iterate, it will become 0. Then what we result would be 0. Remove the last digits. Then we iterate to the array 2. So the original value equal to n. What is the original value? Original value is now n equal to 1000, right? So then we wrote the new value as original. Now we here doing that while n and n not in prefix set. We are doing this while loop here to check n is not 0. So if we check the all the array 2 values, what are the array 2 values? 1, 10, 100, right? So we are checking the all of this by the iteration. 1000 is comparable to this by the iteration. 1 is present here, 10 is present here, 100 is present here. So 100 will be the maximum in this following. So by the iteration, if this iteration is executed, it means that uh, so 3 iteration is there. It means that 3 is the maximum stored in this result. So at the last we return the result. So again we understand that first we swapping because we have to uh, give the prefix set which is contain all the values. Now after we have to iterate to get the current prefix set. Then we have to remove the last digit until we find a prefix match. So if 1000 equal to 1 is present, it will remove, then this value will be we get. For this we wrote the code. Then at last we by the iteration it will get 3, then return result. Let's run the code. I already wrote the code, so it's accepted, then submitted. Thank you guys.